Hi there, students. To spill your guts, to spill one's guts, to confess, to divulge secrets, to speak freely about something, particularly something personal, especially about your problems. Yeah? Let's see, the member of the criminal gang saw the light and suddenly felt terrible about the things that he'd been doing. He had a change of heart. He became a born-again believer, and he spilled his guts to the police. Very often in these talk shows on television, people spill their guts in front of a studio audience. Yeah, they just tell everything. Okay, and this is the idea of to spill your guts. Notice the basic meaning of to spill your guts is to vomit. Blech. No, well, yes it is, but here I'm talking about how to use it idiomatically. To spill your guts, to reveal huge amounts of information to somebody, particularly private information, in an uninhibited way. I'm really sorry to spill my guts like that on you, but I had to talk to somebody. I felt so bad about the situation. So to spill your guts to somebody, to spill your guts about or on something. Okay, so to spill your guts, to tell everything, particularly about something private, something secret, maybe something illegal you've done, something dishonest, something that is sensitive, something you've done wrong. Okay? So, yeah, to spill your guts, to talk about everything. Okay, so if somebody spills their guts, they're talking about private, secret things, and maybe the person they're talking to is not the right person to be talking to. Well, but let's see, if you've got a problem, you need to spill your guts to somebody. Yeah, it can also have the idea of to inform on or to grass on. Yeah, but then very often when people feel guilty about something they've done and it's going round and round and round in their head, yeah, they spill their guts to the authorities, yeah, and then the rest of the plotters get into problems. Okay, so to spill your guts, to vomit extensively. I've been spilling my guts all morning and I'm not going to work today. Yeah, so come on, spill your guts. I want to know what you've been plotting with those people. Yeah, spill your guts. Tell me the truth. Give me the lowdown on it. So, formality. I think this is an informal one. I think I'd give it a 3 informality. Used in an informal conversation, but no more. And then the origin, well, to spill, is to drop a liquid, and your guts, your intestines. So this has got the idea of vomiting out, but mentally, all of these unpleasant things that are inside you. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To spill your guts.